Right. I will do the most hard. I will do the most hard examples for you guys. So that you can understand it very well. Right? I will explain it easily. So take a piece of paper or you can use your end of the book. Right. So right, what I'm going to do is right LCM of algebraic expressions. And, right, the title will be Henna Pata, but you have to do a little thing. Right? You know how to do the factorization, right? And you know how to obtain the factors of quadratic expression, and you know how to obtain the factors of difference of two squares, and you know how to identify the common terms. Right? So, if you can combine all of them together, you can do this, right? LC, right? Now focus on the book. Huh? Right. First example, I will write. Get a here. Right. First example, find. Please write this with me. LCM of 3 times x to the power 2, comma x to the power 2 5x plus 6, comma the next expression is 2x to the power 2 plus 7x plus 3. Right. So these are the three expressions that you need to find LCM. And do you know how to factorize these things? मैं factors कराना जानना है. एक एक करके यूज़ नया केला मारना. पर एक करके यूज़ नया केले है. Kill him, I will kill you right now. Right? Me. This has been already factorized. Right? Common terms has been taken. Right? And also this x plus 2 is to the power 2 factorization. Done. This guy, do you know? Right. Factorize this. This guy, we just did it today. Make 2x to the power 2 plus 7x plus 3. You know how to do the factorization. So Buddha, I need you to do in a way. So this has already been done, the factorization. Right, there is nothing. Please send me the factors of this one and this one. Right, do it fast. Factorize this and factorize this by using the knowledge that you have taken today. Right? Send me fast. Takkalevan. Do it fast. Right? Right? You know how to factorize this. This is the way. You know how to factorize this. Right? We have just finished how to factorize this quadratic expression. Right. So when you factorize this one, you might get something like 2x, x and 3 and 1. 1 times 3, 3. 2x, x, 2x square. 1 times 3, 3. 7x, 2x, 6x plus, yes, plus. All of them are plus. So this is the factorization. 2x plus 1, x plus 3. Sorry, 2x plus 1, x plus 3 is the factorization of this. And now you know how to factorize this guy, this it. You know how to factorize this guy, this it. And this is already been factorized. Make a factorize कर दी. So when you are finding the LCM, right, you need to find the distinct factors with the highest power of this one, and this one. Huh? distinct factors with the highest power, right? If you want, you can take a note, right? Choose distinct factors with the highest powers. This is the key. This is the thing. Alright. This is the key point. If you can understand these few words, LCM is done of algebraic expressions. Right? If you can understand these few keywords, distinct factors with the highest powers. Right? Alright. Okay, now look at the board. So now I am going to highlight distinct factors with the highest powers of each distinct powers, right? Different powers. So here I have a factor as a 3, but here we do not have 3, here we do not have 3. So 3 is the distinct factor for these 3. Make distinct factor is 3. So I am going to pick it. And it is the highest power of 3. 3 to the power 1. So I will highlight it. And x plus 2 is here. X plus 2 is here. Do we have x plus 2? No. But x plus 2 is there. Right? There is another distinct factor x plus 2. X plus 2. Right? And here also we have x plus 2. And here also we have x plus 2. What is the highest power of x plus 2? That becomes the distinct factor for LCM. That becomes the distinct factor for LCM. Distinct factors with highest powers. Yes, we have x plus 2 here. But it is x plus 2 to the power 1. But we have same factor here, x plus 2 or to the power 2. To the power 2. So this is the distinct factor for x plus to the power 2. I am going to choose it. This is the second distinct power, distinct factor. Huh? And now x plus 2 we already have done. X plus 3 and here we have any other powers? No, x plus 3 to the power 1, x plus 3 to the power 1. So you can choose either this one or this one, whatever, right? So you can highlight one of these. So I will highlight this one or this one, whatever. Right? And now x plus 2 is done, x plus 3 is done. The remaining distinct power, distinct factor is this. Right? So finally you can write the LCM is equal. Normally if you are getting LCM, you are getting right. You are going to divide by using 2 and 2 and 3 and 5, right? So that's also a number when you are finding the LCM of numbers. When you are finding LCM numbers, then after that, how you are going to obtain the LCM is you are going to multiply each and everything together. So same thing you are going to do here. 3 multiplied by this. Here we have the distinct factor 3, right? Multiply by x plus 2 to the power 2. Multiply by x plus 3. Multiply by 2x plus 1. So you would arrange this in a particular order if you want. This is correct. Right? But we need to be very standard. Standard thing integral, right? So I will write then x plus 3, 2x plus 1, x plus 2 to the power 2. I have sent the factor with the highest power at the end. So this is now in a order. So this is your LCM for this. Right? This is also correct. You can write it with removing the multiplication sign as well. Correct? Because already bracket is saying multiple. Right? You need to multiply. Correct? No need to write this one. This is for your understanding, for the sake of your understanding. Right? Choose distinct factors with the highest power. When you consider x plus 2, this is x plus 2 to the power 1. This is x plus 2 to the power 2. So that you have to choose x plus 2 to the power 2 as a factor. Not this one. 3, there is no 3, but this is the only 3. 3 to the power 1. It is a factor. Right? For x plus 3, right? And here you have x plus 3. Both are in the same power. X plus 3 to the power, x plus 3 to the power. So you have to choose that. And 2x plus 1, what? There are no other things. So this is a distinct factor. Alright. So choose it. 2x plus 1 to the power 1. So get the multiplication of this 3, this one. So that is your LCM. Right? Both of these are correct. Perfect. Right? So right. Example number 2. Right? Example number 2. Right? Find the LCM of 2x minus 6, 4x, x minus 3 to the power 2, comma 6 times x to the power 2 minus 9. Right? So now you need to factorize 2x minus 6, 4x, x minus 3, 6 times x to the power 2 minus 9. And if you can remember your grade 8 and grade 9, what you have done is, if you have something like this number, you are going to write that number by using the multiples of prime factors. Right? So that is how we are going to do the factorization of a number. Right? Factorization of a number can be done by using, right? By using the multiplication of, right? Multiplication of or the product of prime factors. You can factorize this. Today, can anyone send me the answer for the factorization of this one? May I have a factorization there? Can anyone send me the factorization of this and send me the factorization of this? And you need to choose the distinct factors with the highest power. Alright. And when you are writing this number 4 and 6, you need to factorize 4 and 6. How you are going to factorize? How you are going to factorize? The way you are going to factorize is this number itself, right? I am talking about the number. You know how to factorize this one. May I factorize that? This number can be represented by using, right, the prime factors, the multiplication of the prime factor. Right? Oh, tell me. Factorization of this. Tell me 2x minus 6. Put it to the chat. Chat it. And make it the factorize 2x minus 6. Take the common term out. Is it hard? This one is, this part is okay. But 4 you need to factorize. Yes, tell me. So 2x minus 3. So Buddha, you can factorize this as 2x minus 3. And how you are going to factorize this? Ade, patta case. Power. How you are going to write 4? 2 to the power 2, right? 2 to the power 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x minus 3. So no need of multiplication. If you want, you can.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, then yes.
So in the second one, you forgot the power of 2.
Ah, thank you. Thank you, Rihan. Yes. Here we have x minus 3 to the power 2. There is x minus 3 to the power 2. Correct? And this one, how you are going to factorize? Make how you are going to write 6 by using the multiple of prime numbers? Can anyone tell me? Linu, how you are going to write 6 by using factors, prime factors? I can't hear you.
2 times 3?
Yes, 2 times 2. So the 6 can be written down as 2 times 3. That is 2 times 3. Right? So this one, what is the factorization of this? How the Yemi? X to the power 2 minus 9. Yomi, what is the factorization of this? X to the power 2 minus 9. I but I know.
3x
But I will tell me, Yemi. Oh, Yomi, whatever, right? Whoever.
3x then x minus
Muka? What is this? Difference of Mokantwe? Timnal? Teluli?
X to the power 2, 3 to the power 2,
Ah,
minus
everything?
x to the power 2, minus 3 to the power 2.
Ah, right. I am asking the factors so that you can write the factors, no? Right? At first, I am going to write this x to the power 2 minus 9 as here. X minus 3, x plus 3. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? No, ne? So, the distinct factors with the highest power. Distinct factors with the highest power. So, 2, right? This is 2 to the power 1. Right? And here also you have 2 to the power 1. But here, 2 to the power 2. Distinct factor with the highest power. I am going to highlight it. Distinct factor with the highest power. Then 2 is done. Now, story of 2 is over. 2 we have dealt with 2. Now 3. There are no other 3's. Only 3 is here. So we have to take it. 3 to the power 1. Now 2 and 3 numbers are okay. Now I have x minus 3. Now I have x minus 3. X minus 3 to the power 1, x minus 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power 2 distinct factor with the highest power. We have to take it. Wait. We move in the way. X distinct factor with the highest power. Are there any x's? No. Only this guy. There no x. Now x minus 3 is okay. X plus 3, are there any factors? No. Only this guy. X plus 3 to the power 1. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factors. in order to find the LCM. So 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3, right? Then multiply x, multiply, I will write x plus 3, then I will write multiply x minus 3 to the power. So the final answer will be 2 to the power 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times x and x plus 3, x minus 3 to the power 2. So I will do the lesson, right? Fully. I will do the full lesson, right? So I want you to get a brief idea how to get this. I want you to get the brief idea how to get this. Okay. Right. Okay. So